Hello everyone, this is Rohit Parak. Let's jump right into the video. So, if you want to download any paid software, Photoshop or anything, just follow my lead. First of all, go to your Chrome browser, search for file CR. After that, the first link, file CR, the biggest software store. Click on this link and wait for 5 seconds, 10 seconds, depends on your internet. So here you can see we have many softwares which are available for free, right? Literally Android software, Windows software. So let me tell you one more nice thing about this software, that you guys can get softwares of all Windows, Mac and Android. So let's search for Photoshop, right? Photoshop is the most searched paid software right now. So Photoshop, and here it is. You have Adobe Photoshop Express Premium for Android, Adobe Photoshop 2022 version 03, and it's pre-activated. As you guys can see, it's pre-activated 2.90 GB. All you have to do is click on this software and close this ad. After that, scroll down a bit, and here it is. You have 3 links. So this magnet link would work for your BitTorrent or uTorrent. I'll suggest you the BitTorrent. You guys can get the BitTorrent link in the description below, or you can directly download it for a RAR file, direct download. So I hope this would work for you. This was a very short video, but it's a very useful video. Till then guys, keep supporting, do subscribe, and adios amigos.